AISIA Skin Evaluation Instrument Installation Video. Installing the power cord. Plug the power cord into instrument power socket and connect the power. Install the tablet computer stand. The snap on the back of the tablet computer stand is aligned with the groove on the back of the instrument. Slightly rotate and straighten. Tablet computer installation. The USB interface facing down. Data cable needs to be connected. Push the tablet computer in from the right side of the tablet computer stand. Install the data table. Plug the USB interface into the tablet at one side. The other side USB interface is inserted at the power supply of the instrument. 15.6-inch tablet data cable installation. Plug the USB interface at the first USB interface of the tablet at one side. The other side is inserted at the USB interface near the power supply of the instrument. Tablet power codes installation. Plug the power cord into the circular connector. The tablet will start automatically after the power is turned on. The top lock key is the screen lock key. Installation completed.